The problems I've thought of when you look at this is that when I look at the Hess model, it's obvious that it's a two-speed system in which your continental plate has to go faster than the lithosphere going down. This seems to me difficult to understand. The second point was the planets are rotating at an angle. There's the similarity between of the orbits described by an unbalanced rotating rotor to that of the Milankovitch cycle, which gave me the idea that the Earth may be well modelled as an unbalanced rotating body. In order that the Earth is unbalanced, the centre of mass has to be moved off-centre. The way in which unbalance can be formed in the case of a planet would be at the accretionary stage, when the Sun captures the accretionary ball and pulls out the centre of mass in order to form a gravitational link that enables the Sun to rotate the planet in the same direction as it does it itself. This can only be done if there was an offset torque arm, and this would in fact cause the unbalance to occur. And this seems to be throughout the whole of the system. All the planets are tilted. They all rotate with the same hand of rotation, and they all rotate with a similar hourly day rate. So the Sun is obviously controlling the planet. This is totally at odds with current wisdom, which says that planets are freely rotating bodies about their centre of mass. This cannot be the case. They cannot just be randomly rotating. They have to be controlled. And it looks like the Sun does control it. It was the above observations that resulted in me looking at the planet as being an unbalanced rotating body with an offset centre of mass. And this appears to be applicable to all the planets, in which the Sun is able to control their rotational as well as their orbital motions. This line of thought would be in keeping with the work done by Kepler in 1645. Kepler published his laws of planetary motion, in which he has shown that which he was able to calculate the areas swept by the Earth as it rotates, as it moves around the Sun. This implied to me that the Earth was definitely under the control of the Sun. This was further reinforced by the work of Steiger and Mountain, who showed that the Earth was twisted between April and October on the outward journey, and between October and April on the inward journey, 1 degree per day. This could only occur if there was a definite gravitational link, mutual gravitational link between the Sun and the Earth. It was this particular paper, together with the rest of the evidence, which showed that the Sun was definitely controlling all the movements of the Earth, and by definition must be that of the other planets, as it cannot be seen in isolation. Once having seen this, it was now possible to model the Earth as an unbalanced rotating body about its offset centre of mass, using standard rigid body dynamics as noted in any textbook. Using this approach, it's been able to quantify the forces associated with tectonic movements, which has hitherto not been possible.